Water supply. Water is the single most critical item in any emergency kit. After a tornado, local water supplies may be contaminated by debris, chemicals, or broken infrastructure. That's why experts recommend storing at least 1 gallon per person per day for a minimum of 3 days. This covers both drinking and minimal hygiene needs. If storing large amounts isn't possible, include portable options like water purification tablets or a personal water filter straw, which can make unsafe water drinkable. Bottled water works too, but remember to rotate your stock regularly so it doesn't expire. Dehydration can set in quickly, especially in hot or stressful conditions. Without clean water, survival becomes extremely difficult. Families with children, elderly relatives, or pets should consider storing extra. When packing water, think beyond just bottles. Add collapsible water containers or jugs that are lightweight and easy to refill if safe sources become available. In tornado recovery, water often disappears first from store shelves, so having your own supply is non-negotiable. Non-perishable food may not seem urgent compared to water, but after a tornado, it can make the difference between calm and panic. Grocery stores may be closed, roads blocked, and power outages could last for days. That's why your kit should include non-perishable foods that don't require refrigeration, cooking, or extensive preparation. Canned goods like beans, tuna, and soups are excellent choices. Don't forget a manual can opener, since electricity might be out. High-calorie snacks such as granola bars, trail mix, jerky, and peanut butter provide quick energy and long shelf lives. Freeze-dried meals are another good option, especially for longer emergencies, since they're lightweight and easy to store. Aim for at least a 3-day supply per person, but a week is even better. Remember to consider dietary restrictions. Pack gluten-free, diabetic-friendly, or infant-appropriate options if needed. Food is not only fuel for the body, but also comfort during a stressful time. Having something familiar to eat can reduce fear, especially for children. Pack wisely, rotate items every few months, and ensure your kit is ready when disaster strikes. First aid kit tornadoes often leave behind shattered glass, twisted metal, and unstable debris. Injuries ranging from cuts to broken bones are common in the aftermath. That's why a first aid kit is one of the most important things you can pack. A solid kit should include adhesive bandages of multiple sizes, sterile gauze, antiseptic wipes, adhesive tape, tweezers, scissors, pain relievers, antibiotic ointment, and gloves. Elastic bandages for sprains and instant cold packs are also valuable. For families, extra supplies like children's medication or allergy treatments should be added. Go beyond the basics if possible. Include a first aid manual or quick reference guide. In a chaotic environment, even simple instructions can be life-saving. For those with chronic conditions, keep at least a week's worth of prescription medications sealed in waterproof containers. A backup inhaler for asthma or an EpiPen for severe allergies can literally mean survival. In a tornado's aftermath, emergency responders may not reach you immediately. Having a well-stocked first aid kit ensures you can treat injuries and stabilize health until professional help arrives. Flashlights and batteries power outages are almost guaranteed after a tornado. Without electricity, navigating in the dark becomes dangerous, especially with broken glass, downed wires, and unstable structures around you. That's why flashlights and extra batteries are essential in your emergency kit. Choose durable LED flashlights that provide long-lasting brightness. Compact headlamps are also excellent since they free up your hands, allowing you to carry supplies or help others. Avoid relying on candles. They increase the risk of fire in already hazardous conditions. Pack multiple light sources, not just one. A large flashlight for general use, a small one for quick access, and a headlamp for hands-free tasks create a versatile setup. Store extra batteries in sealed bags to keep them dry. Rechargeable flashlights with hand crank or solar power are also smart additions as they reduce reliance on stored batteries. Light isn't just about safety, and it provides psychological comfort. In a stressful blackout, even a small beam of light can calm nerves. By packing flashlights and backup power, you ensure visibility and reduce risks in the critical hours after a tornado. Weather radio. Staying informed is critical during and after a tornado. Cell towers may be down, power grids offline, and internet service unavailable. In those conditions, a NOAA weather radio becomes your best friend. Weather radios receive official alerts from the National Weather Service, giving you real-time updates on tornado warnings, storm movements, and emergency instructions. Choose one that is battery-powered, hand crank, or solar charged, so it works even when electricity is gone. Many models also double as flashlights or phone chargers, adding extra usefulness. Unlike phones or TVs, weather radios are designed to function in disasters with loud alerts that can wake you in the middle of the night. This is critical since tornadoes often strike overnight when people are most vulnerable. Having a weather radio ensures you're not caught off guard by secondary storms, flash floods, or new tornado warnings in the aftermath of the first event. Information can be the difference between safety and tragedy. By packing a reliable weather radio, you guarantee that no matter how bad conditions get, you'll still have a lifeline to trusted information and emergency updates. Personal documents and identification. In the chaos after a tornado, proving who you are and accessing recovery assistance can be just as important as food and water. That's why it's vital to pack personal documents and identification in your emergency kit. This includes photo IDs, birth certificates, social security cards, passports, insurance policies, property deeds, medical records, and bank account information. Store these in a waterproof, fire-resistant folder or pouch to ensure they survive even if your home doesn't. Digital backups are also useful. Scan your documents and save them to a password-protected USB drive or secure cloud storage. That way, if physical copies are lost, you'll still have access. Why is this so important? After a disaster, survivors often need documentation to claim insurance, apply for government aid, or even access medical care. Without it, recovery becomes much slower and more stressful. It may feel strange to prioritize paperwork in an emergency kit, but these documents represent stability. Having them on hand ensures that when the storm passes, you can begin rebuilding your life without unnecessary delays. Communication tools. After a tornado, communication lines often break down. Cell networks may be overloaded or offline, and power outages can last for days. That's why packing communication tools in your emergency kit is critical. First, include a fully charged backup power bank or portable solar charger for phones. Even if service is spotty, you'll want your device powered to check messages or contact family when possible. Two-way radios or walkie-talkies are also excellent for staying in touch with household members if you're separated during or after the storm. A whistle may seem simple, but it's an underrated lifesaver. If trapped under debris, 3 sharp blasts can signal for help and cut through the noise better than yelling. Some emergency whistles are built into survival gear like flashlights or multi-tools, which makes them even more practical. Communication isn't just about convenience, it's about survival. Being able to signal for help, coordinate with loved ones, or receive updates can mean the difference between isolation and rescue in a chaotic environment.